Chia Seeds 101. The ultimate guide to benefits and uses, chia seeds have surged in popularity, becoming a nutritional powerhouse celebrated by health-conscious individuals worldwide. Packed with nutrients and versatility, these tiny seeds can significantly enhance your diet and health. In this ultimate guide, we'll explore the extensive benefits of chia seeds and offer creative ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are tiny, edible seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, native to Mexico and Guatemala. Historically valued by ancient civilizations for their energizing properties, chia seeds today are acclaimed as a modern superfood. Nutritional profile of chia seeds. Chia seeds offer exceptional nutritional value in a small package. Fiber, an impressive 10 grams per ounce. 2. Protein, 4 grams per ounce. 3. Healthy fats, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Minerals, high in calcium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus. 5. Antioxidants, packed with polyphenols that fight oxidative stress. Health benefits of chia seeds. 1. Enhances digestive health, rich in soluble fiber. Chia seeds support gut health by promoting regularity, reducing bloating, and supporting beneficial gut bacteria. 2. Supports heart health. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, proven to reduce cholesterol levels, inflammation, and overall cardiovascular risk. 3. Assists in weight management. High fiber content increases satiety, curbing hunger, and aiding weight control by reducing calorie intake. 4. Improves blood sugar regulation. Consuming chia seeds regularly helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes, and potentially lowering diabetes risk. 5. Promotes bone health. High levels of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus contribute to strong bones and improved skeletal health. Creative ways to use chia seeds. Chia seeds can easily be integrated into numerous meals and snacks. 1. Chia seed pudding, a delicious breakfast or dessert made with chia seeds soaked overnight in milk or yogurt. 2. Smoothies, boost nutritional value by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds. 3. Baked goods. Incorporate chia seeds into muffins, bread, or cookies for added texture and nutrients. 4. Salad dressings. Mix chia seeds into dressings to enhance texture and nutrition. 5. Healthy drinks. Stir chia seeds into beverages like lemonade or coconut water for a refreshing, nutrient-rich drink. Chia seed recipes you'll love. Easy chia pudding. Combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk, add honey or maple syrup, and refrigerate overnight. Top with fresh fruits or nuts for extra flavor. Chia seed smoothie blend. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a powerful morning boost. Tips for getting the most out of chia seeds. 1. Hydration. Chia seeds absorb liquids quickly. Always consume them with sufficient fluids. 2. Start small. Gradually introduce chia seeds to your diet to allow your digestive system to adjust. 3. Store properly. Keep chia seeds in a cool, dry place to maintain freshness. Potential precautions. Chia seeds are generally safe, but individuals with digestive sensitivities should start with small quantities. Always ensure adequate hydration to prevent digestive discomfort. Conclusion. Why chia seeds deserve a spot in your pantry. With their remarkable nutritional benefits, chia seeds offer a simple way to enhance your diet and boost your overall health. Incorporate these versatile seeds regularly to support digestion, heart health, weight management, and more, transforming your daily meals into nutritious powerhouses.